The antique typewriter was an impulse buy at the estate sale. Sarah placed it on her desk, admiring its worn keys and vintage charm. That night, as she drifted to sleep, a rhythmic clacking woke her. She blinked blearily at the darkened room, her eyes adjusting to the faint glow from her desk lamp. The typewriter was typing by itself. She crept closer, heart pounding, as the keys hammered out a message, "Help me." Sarah's breath hitched. She stepped back, tripping over her own feet. The room grew colder, the air thick with an unsettling presence. She reached for her phone, but it was dead. The typewriter continued, "She's coming." A chill ran down her spine. She glanced around the room, eyes wide with terror. The typewriter fell silent. For a moment, everything was still. Then, the front door creaked open. Frozen, Sarah listened to the soft, deliberate footsteps approaching. Her gaze snapped back to the typewriter. One last message appeared, "Run." But it was too late. A shadowy figure materialized in the doorway, its eyes glinting with malice. Sarah screamed, but the sound was swallowed by the cold, suffocating darkness. The typewriter's keys clicked one final time. Too late.